From my perspective, I think the insurance industry is going through lots of changes, of course, right? Driven by simultaneous structural changes to the risk, consumption, and technology landscapes in the face of perhaps increasingly less consolidated regulatory requirements. And of course, we in insurance follow the real economy, and all of us are confronted by the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic and climate risk. And for the first time this year, the Global Risk Report of the World Economic Forum had all top five risks related to climate. And specifically on your question, Jan, I think that insurance is increasingly tech-driven, and that the traditional barrier between business and IT will need to go away. I personally have experience in both computer science and general management. I'm not an exception. We have people from telecom, Lego, Amazon moving to insurers in senior roles. And this is on top of even industry boundaries blurring and innovation taking place both from FTEs and outside the firm. At Microsoft, we work with insurers across the globe, and certainly with the largest in Europe. And if I may mention 4 pillars of digital transformation that we look at typically. So it's on the employee experience side. So we have our modern workplace suite, digital feedback loops, and are increasingly focusing on professional workplace mental health for employees, especially under COVID circumstances. To optimize operations, so things like RPA, robotic process automation, and fraud prevention, including also from our partner ecosystem. To transforming products and business model innovation, including access to ecosystems. And finally, on the customer experience place. And I saw your study also reflected some of those ideas on the things that customers want. They increasingly want the same app-like experience they get from certain retail engagements on insurance as well. And maybe I can conclude by mentioning a key concept that our CEO, Microsoft CEO, Satya Nadella came up with. It's called tech intensity. And it's something that he says every organization will need to have. And if you want to put it into a mathematical equation, it's tech adoption times tech capability raised to the power of trust, right? And you mentioned trust as well earlier. Adoption is about accessing tech. And I think in a world of SaaS and cloud-based computing, it's important not to waste time and energy into reinventing something that's available as a commodity potentially, right? Advanced machine learning, for instance. Capability is about talent, and how do you use that technology to create USP within an organization. And finally, trust, again, is really important. That's why the power of trust, where we live in a world where privacy is a human right, and perhaps it's our newest human right, right?